Activate the key switch, the instrument panel will be powered on, and the vehicle's warning lights will start operating. Turn on the headlight switch, and the headlights will light up. Switch on the spray switch, and the nozzle will spray water. Turn on the brush switch, and the side brush and main brush will automatically drop and start working. Step on the cleaning height pedal to increase the cleaning height. Press the accelerator pedal, and the car moves forward and begins to sweep. After pressing the parking switch, the brake pedal will be locked, and the vehicle will be in a braking state.